Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. Today, gonna do some barbecued chicken legs. So I got a bunch of legs, even got a couple thighs had left over, gonna throw in there. So we're gonna do, haven't used my Weber kettle in a long time, so we're gonna fire up the Weber kettle and throw these out there. So we're gonna do some regular old barbecued chicken legs. But what I've done, y'all have seen me use this Oak Ridge barbecue brine. So I've had these brining overnight. And also I found this today from Barbecue Spot. Got it at Lowe's when I was up at Lowe's. It's called Some Chicken Rub. Enhance Your Breast. So this is some chicken rub. So I always like to try some new things. So I have never used this. It smells really good. Got some sage. I smell sage in there. Poultry seasoning, other good stuff, garlic, whatnot. So we're going to see how this does today. So stand by and we'll be right back after this. Right, y'all, I went and brined these chicken pieces overnight in my Oak Ridge barbecue game changer. So we're going to go ahead and drain them out. Just dump them in a colander of some kind. And we're going to rinse the excess brine off. Now you don't have to go overnight in this brine. You could leave it in there a minimum or like 4 hours, something like that. That'd probably be fine. But I went ahead and put these in there last night, rinsed them off, and let's get them dry. All right, y'all. So we're just gonna dump this chicken out on some paper towel. Spread them on out a little bit. So we got a single layer. Get us some more paper towel. Just go at them. Get all the excess off. Man, that Oak Ridge barbecue brine's smelling good. I really like that stuff. I think from now on, anytime I make chicken, that's being used. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put these on a rack to continue drying. So my goal today is to get these nice and crispy. Crispy skin. So we'll take these out there on the Weber kettle. Go hot and fast, which you'll see in a little bit. So for now, I'm going to put these in the refrigerator to air dry a little longer, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to put the rub on. Alright, y'all, see you in a little bit. Alright, y'all, what we're going to do today, we got the slow and sear installed in here. So we're going to go ahead and just leave the slow and sear in. Get a full chimney of charcoal. So, full chimney of charcoal. We'll put our starter down in there. Get that fired up. There we go. Get the chimney on it. All right, so this is going to take probably 30 minutes to get fully engulfed. So bring you back when it's ready. All right, so the chimney's well engulfed, fully lit. Dump the coals in the slow and sear. All right, got one stuck. There we go. So let's put the rack on so we can get it clean. And we'll get the lid on, let this thing get hot. I'm gonna open the top vent all the way. Bottom vent's already open all the way. So let's let this thing come on up, get hot. We'll clean the grate, get the chicken on. All right, so this has been heating up a little bit for a little while, about 10-15 minutes. So let's get the old grill brush, clean these grates up. So let's open our door here. What I'm gonna do is put me a handful of apple wood in here. All right, I'm also gonna put me another handful of charcoal in here. Close this up. Put the lid on. All right, let's go get the chicken. All right, so this grill's up to almost 400 degrees. Gonna put our legs on. I want them back here away from the fire. Put the big end towards the fire. Drumsticks. There we go. So we'll leave this like this. Put the vent opposite the meat. We'll come check on it in a minute. All right, these have been on here about 15 minutes or so, sitting at 400. Let's take a peek. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a little flip. All right, we'll let him keep cooking. All right, y'all, he's been in here about another 15. Let's take a look. Oh man, these are looking wonderful. So let's turn them over again. Get that skin side up. Now you don't need this slow and sear to do this. You can always pile the coals to one side, but heck, since I got the slow and sear, might as well use it, huh? All right, let's kind of make some room in between these things so they ain't touching. Here we go. All right. Go about another 15. Awesome. All right, this thing's up about 425, which is good. Let's take a peek. It's been another 15 minutes, so these have been on here a total of about 45 minutes. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, they're looking good. So what I'm gonna do is take some temperature. So, see if you can see this on the inside. Oh yeah, 177, 178. Let's check this one here. 170. Let's check these thighs. 170. So, let's finish them up. What I got here is some straight up Sweet Baby Ray's, not doctored at all. So I'm gonna roll these pieces in the rays and put them back on. All right, I'll leave these on here for about 10 more minutes and we're gonna get them off of here. All right, y'all, been about 10 minutes since I put that sauce on there. So let's get these bad boys off of here. All right, all she wrote. All right, y'all, here it is. This is what you call regular old barbecued chicken legs. Basic grilling method out on the Weber kettle. This is going to be good. I'm looking forward to this. I haven't done this in a long time. I always do all that fancy stuff. Chicken halves and turkey breast and barbecue pizza. Well, let's see what we got here. Y'all ready? Taste! Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. Finger licking. KFC ain't got nothing on this. So we brined it overnight, put it out on the Weber kettle, put some of this new rub I found. Where is it? Put it up already. Just rub some chicken. So I got this at Lowe's. Got a good taste. Finished it off with Sweet Baby Ray's, just standard Sweet Baby Ray's. Didn't jazz it up at all. Standard barbecue chicken, there you go. Fishing and Cooking with Mike Chavez. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell up top. I'll tell you what, I didn't show making the brine up, so I'm going to leave the link to a video showing you how I made the brine up and brine the chicken, okay? So, thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.